That's an eel. Of course it's an eel. Oh, big bastard too. In that current. Oh, you big eel. Anything the other line. Get out of it. Oh. He's a big eel. Size of that. Oh. Huge. That is a big eel. Look at the size of that. I'm going to have to cut the line. I can't get that in. Make a big mess. That is a big eel. Oh. I just got him too. He's going to make a massive mess in this grass. Oh, knife. Just have to cut it, get close to it. Oh, get out of that. Oh, no. No. Oh, get out of that. And he's tangled that line up. I think I cut both lines. I was ready. I was pound, so I was ready. See all this grass here? If I had my machete, I'd clean this all up. Just a joke. Stupid bloody governments. Another bloody big eel. Let me look up. Gee, this runny water they run, he is big. He's not as big, but still big. I do not want to land him in here because he'll make a massive mess. I just got it too. And they stink and they're very slimy. I'm just going to cut it again. I'm going to have to lose the sinker. Because look at all the shit. It's going to make a big mess. It's not an eel, it's a carp. No, that's another eel. Or is it a carp? Carp! Haven't seen it yet. Yep. Big bastard too. Oh, I got to use my machete. No, I haven't got the machete, the hatchet to take it out. ugly thing. If I walk back up here, my phone into the water so it doesn't go in the... Oh, I stick a gun and snap the rod. Big. Yeah, shit. I don't make the miss of that. It's a good 60 centimetre bastard. Righto, carp. Say hello to Saxon. Well, I think that'll do us for today. 2 big eels and a big fat carp. Better than nothing. Anyway, till next time. Let's go. What are you doing? You being mad? You mad cat? Well? Come on, what are you doing? He's mad. You mad? He's mad. Mad as me.